Hey everyone, in this video we will learn how to make a 360 panorama for our VR virtual reality using Revit software. First, go to site plan. Then we want to create from view tab, we want to create a 3D or a camera view. Just select this, or you can simply go from here, camera. Now place your camera. Let's place it here, for example. Here I want the view under this nice shading device. Okay, and this will take us to the 3D view. We can control it using these controls and make it larger. Creating panoramas using Revit is so simple. It's the same idea when you send rendering to cloud rendering in Autodesk. It's done online. I think we need to go a little bit back with the camera. Just go to the site plan and you'll see your camera. Just go a little bit back. Okay, let's go back to our view. No, that's so much. We need to go a little bit closer from here, maybe. Okay, this is fine. Now you create just a shot, but it's fine. You can still make it a panorama later because it will be like a 360 degrees. Go to render in cloud. Of course you need to sign in first in your account. Okay, select the view. Then you have to select the output type, not a still image but a panorama. You can control the quality and other things and just click render. Now this is uploading your scene to Autodesk rendering in cloud. After it's done, you will find it online. You can just go there. I will show you now. Okay, now we sent our view to cloud rendering and we need to check our rendering. We go here, but if it's not there, here should be written like complete rendering, but if it's not there, it's fine. You just go here, view and render gallery, and this will take you to the renderings page in Autodesk. Okay, and this is our project, view project. Okay, so now we opened our rendering gallery in Autodesk. Okay, and we got our rendering. Of course, it's not so perfect, but it's fine for our demonstration video. Okay, now we want to download it. Click on this arrow. You can either download it as a link, but in this case you can open the link or share it, and it will be a 360 panorama, and it also can be used in the VR. But the problem with this is that you cannot like flip between many panoramas, or you cannot use it if you don't have internet connection. So it's usable but not if you don't have internet. Okay, for our case we want to download it to be like a permanent and can be used without internet connection, so we will choose as equi-rectangular download. Just click on this and it will download. Till it's complete download, we will go to this website. Just go to irisvr.com. Okay, Now you have this website. It has an app for iOS, for iPhone or Samsung or any iOS phone, and you can use it for VR, and you can upload your panoramas on it. Okay, you go to first you need to have an account, of course. You have to sign up. Here I'm already signed in. Okay, I'll log out. I already signed up and have an account. I just log in. If you want to sign up, you click on this and sign up. Okay, now I signed in. I need to go to scope and access scope library. Okay, so here I can add my panoramas. Okay, let's try opening it from here. Oh, sorry, I have to open that first. Let's extract it here. Yes, okay, and let's choose this one. You see how it looks like. Now it's uploading our panorama. Then you have to download their app. Okay, you need to download their app on your phone and open your account, and you will find this panorama. You see, we have this panorama, and by using the VR you can just check your panorama there. Okay, thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave it in the comments. Thank you.